back to another video here at RAV4 Resource. Today we're going to be doing an installation and a first time look review at the LASFIT floor liners. And these are for the front row, back row, and cargo. So first thing I notice when I'm opening these up is that they're super soft. They don't give off any weird odors or anything like that. And I found that really nice. And surprising whenever I first opened these up. Now these, the ones I'm specifically looking at here are for the 2019 and forward RAV4, but they do make them for older RAV4s. Just make sure you look for that when you're looking for yours. And there is also a distinction between the gas and hybrid models, so make sure you check that out. There is a little price difference. I think it's a little cheaper for the hybrid one. But stick around to the end of the video and we'll get you guys a discount code so that way it'll be even cheaper. So brand new, these are about $200, and yeah, you can see why here in the video. Let's take a quick look at the instructions. So you can pause the video here and read through this if you'd like. I just want to point out one thing that I thought was really nice. Dealing with the LASFIT customer service team has been really nice. They're very quick to respond, and they've got 24/7 support. They also have a 90-day money-back guarantee. That is if you're a member, so it's actually, I think, 40 days if you're not. And they have a lifetime warranty, which is great. So let's get these installed. So I'm going to walk over here to the first part, undo these. It's a quarter turn on the driver's side for each of those. And you can see I already took out the old ones and put WeatherTechs in a long time ago. Passenger side, just pull them out. These are super easy. Back is the same, it's all one piece, just like the LASFIT. And I'm just gonna give those a little tug. And for the back, I don't have a aftermarket floor mat, so I just have the old carpet, so pull those out. Alright, to install these, really all you have to do is just place them in, and you can see they're obviously custom made. In the driver's side, you just make sure those two are snapped in place with a little quarter turn, and that's about it on that. While you're watching me install these, I just want to go over a couple things that I thought were quite nice about these floor mats upon first look. So first off, the price. They're, about $170 with a discount, 15% off with our code at the end of the video here, or in the description below. So I think that's a pretty good deal, especially considering how much I paid for the WeatherTechs before. The fitment, you'll see here in the video that they are obviously designed for the RAV4. They're designed very similarly to the WeatherTechs, but I think that they are actually quite a bit better, and you'll see why here in a minute. And another thing is they ship free as well, so that's really nice. The materials, they're not the typical rubber. They are a type of polymer, and apparently it's more environmentally friendly. All I know is that it's quite a bit more pliable than synthetic rubber or plastic, from what I can tell. There's also no smell, which is really great. It doesn't ruin the new car smell that you might have still. I thought that the warranty that they offered was quite nice. It really shows that they believe in their products as well. Customer service is quite helpful, responsive, fair, and it just doesn't feel like they're trying to take advantage or pull one over on you. Lastly, I think that they look really good. They're a really nice black color. I'm really curious to see how these last over time as they do get dirty, because as you can see, the ones I had in the car before, after 2 years, are quite faded and scratched. One of the first things I noticed after installing these were that they are incredibly tight in the vehicle. So the fitment is good, but also, I'll show you here in a second, on the underside, you can really see that they grip the carpet underneath really well. I find this nice because in the past I've had the OEM floor mats shift on me, or they in general just don't feel very secure. I like that when I'm pressing the accelerator or the brake that nothing is moving. So that was really nice. All right, and if you want to clean them, just pop them out here. And I'm just showing that you can, use water on them. You can use mild soap like a Dawn or something like that, and I'd probably just use a basic toothbrush to scrub if it was really dirty, something like that.
As I was installing these, I took them both out here. I just want to show you. This is for the back second row in the RAV4. These are thick, like really thick. These feel like very thin plastic. I don't know if you can see how thin that is compared to that, but you could just feel the heftiness of it. So much different whenever I pulled them up side by side like that. And for me at least, that makes it seem like these are going to be quite a bit more durable. You can also see the WeatherTech has quite a bit of scratches from the dog. So curious to see how these hold up over time. One last thing I wanted to mention here too. I'm not trying to, this isn't a video for me to dog on WeatherTech, but I was just throwing these back in here just to kind of do a quick compare. But look at the fitment difference. Like, they're locked in, for example, and there's just a big gap here. The back ones are the same, big gap here, all through there as well. It just kind of looks a bit sloppy as well. So, and that's not, the plastic is so hard, it's not malleable at all. So I don't think you're going to be able to really fix that at all. Whereas, I don't know if you saw in the last part, the LASFIT ones were incredibly snug, and I have a nice little lip around this part. So it really looks like it has a really good fit. So I just want to point that out as well.
2 years ago, those WeatherTechs had cost me just over $200, and they did not include the cargo liner. So considering that these are well under that, and it also include the cargo liner, great deal. Initial impressions are very positive for the LASFIT liners. I'm really happy with them so far over the last couple weeks, and I look forward to doing a follow-up once I've used them quite a bit more. Don't forget to check out our link in the description below and use the code RAV4R for 15% off. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, give us a like, subscribe, sign up for our newsletter, rav4resource.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.